but I'm not because I don't like school. Yeah.
Yep. So what's up, guys? Today I'm feeling nature.
Look.
Yep.
Oh,
And now this is like
good. And by the way, his channel is not on TikTok. His channel is on YouTube.
yep.
And they're gonna shout at him. What's your name, YouTube?
Look, this short name Tajus bro, and long name is actually Tajus GD guys. So.
Okay, his name is Tajus Bro.
Yep, Tajus bro. That's me. What about you?
I don't remember.
No way. No way you didn't.
Okay. Rivals Pro _ Pro 38.
Okay.
3.
Okay. Wait. Let me put my backpack
Okay.
off. I hate you, backpack. Foot. What's up?
Look at this school.
Yep. Like this is the school who is actually ninth grade. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So wait. Okay. This is the job.
Guys, this is PE to other students. Show them. You see it?
Yeah. I see. Oh my God, I'm really so tired of these flowers.
Yeah. Do you hear the like? What the hell? Not even a chance.
Okay, this is my worst, guys. I've ever seen. Bro, look, those guys are PE, like PE guys. I don't know. Oh, wait, what happens if I run? Is it gonna fly? Come on, you dummy, fly! Oh! Hey, that's not cool.
My friend also follows Geometry Dash videos. If you want to see the videos, just go ahead to YouTube and type Tajus Bro, and you're gonna see it.
And lastly, I will spell this. Look, TAJUS, and also BRO.
Yeah.
That's it.
And now, spell mine. Spell mine.
That's mine.
Spell my name.
Okay. Mine. Well, okay. M-I.
What the hell? My bro.
Dude, my backpack is right over there.
Let's go talk.
Okay. Well, we're still not the end of the video. Okay. Wait, let me go. Okay, guys, wait. Okay, guys, I'm back.
Yeah, we're back, bro.
Okay. Here's my kite.
White building. Look.
What?
Like, what the hell? You see that?
The smoke?
Zoom in, yeah, zoom in. No.
Like what kind of person?
Well, look, the white building.
That building?
Yeah, not the school, the white wall. The building.
The what is happening? What is this?
I don't know. Like a billionaire's house here. No, $1 house.
The puppy just appears.
We're filming a video.
Well, at least it's so cute. That's so cute. He's running away. That was running to her owner. That was so cute anyways.
Okay. I'm feeling nature. Yeah, this is my friend's comment when he posts here videos. I'm feeling nature. If you don't like this video, I don't care.
Yeah.
You guys look in Lithuania. Lithuania is so cool. Like, look at these yellow things.
It's yellow flowers, you dummy.
What the freak?
What? What's wrong?
I'm family friendly, guys.
Look, this guy is actually cooking.
Oh. Did you shut? Oh, yo. What? But this kite like cooks. Not even ew. This kite
Oh
costs 95 cents. Bro is tripping now. He needs to take a chill pill. Bro is tripping now. Bro, stop tripping.
Bro, oh my God, bro, you stuck. You're stuck. Oh my God, let her out. Oh God.
No, my kite.
No, your kite. No.
Stop your kite.
No, shut it down. Oh my God.
Come to the ambulance. It's not for you. Alle warten voor kittenjetten.
Kittenjetten?
Now we're on the street. Because this idol eats a lot of Krabby Patties.
Yep.
I look the grass because she really boomed the grass by eating the grass, and the grass is green.
The grass is definitely green. The English king is actually black.
Really? I don't believe it.
You don't believe to me?
No.
Bro.
What the hell was it? Hey.
What? Dude. Not again, dude. Yo, stop. Dude.
I can't speak English.
No, stop.
In Lithuanian.
No. Bro.
English is my 100th language.
Bro.
Okay.
Just.
Hey, kitty.
No, he's flying away.
The kite likes me.
The kite doesn't like you.
Okay, so now I'm gonna end video right here. So bye guys, and say bye, bro. Say bye.
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 Bye. Sorry, but I'm still filming.
Oh.
Right. Wait, end the video? Okay, so bye guys. It's definitely really so quick. I even don't know. So bye guys.